too.
Of course I live in the woods. What you doing, Jimmy?
So most of these are replicas, or is this fox real?
The fur and stuff from those were real. I mean, these have actually been here longer than I have. I've been here 8 years. But so you got a mixture of replicas and some real stuff as well.
I think it's so cruel to kill animals.
Well, a lot of times when these animals have been collected, that's why we use replicas so they don't have to kill them. But like the ones that are real, these are animals that have already been killed by a car or something. So they've been hit and then they just collect the furs that way. So it's not like they really go out and hunt these ones. A lot of times they are donated. They're donated to the parks and game and fish and stuff.
Okay.
Or in the other cases, if you have game and fish, sometimes when they arrest poachers, they confiscate the stuff from them.
Okay.
And then they can donate.
What's a poacher?
Poacher is someone who's hunting illegally.
Mm.
And they do stuff. I mean, it's we have game wardens and stuff that regulate hunting seasons for different animals. And they do that because hunting can be good, because if you get an overpopulation of animals, then they'll die out and starve. So that's why you regulate it. But these poachers are illegal and they do whatever they want and they take anything. And so when they get arrested, then anything that they have that they're not supposed to, then they may donate it to a nature center or a museum so it can be used for programs to educate.
What is it?
Okay.
They look like a cheetah.
It's a bobcat.
Oh.
That was a bobcat.
Mom,
Yeah, all the animals here are the ones that we have here in this area. Cheetah wouldn't be one of them.
what is this?
It's a hornet's. Oh, this is a fox.
A fox?
Yeah, it's a fox.
It's like the same one. Two foxes.
Sad. That's a hornet's nest up top.
Oh, yeah?
I don't like this.
Oh, she's somewhere. So yeah, these are just some of the animals we get around here.
What's this?
That's a pelican over there. That bird in there.
I think it's wrong for people to kill animals. I think it's abuse. Anybody who takes anything.
At the word, a shout was raised along our entire line as they rushed toward the enemy on double quick, firing as they ran. When within 75 paces of the enemy, we encountered a fence. The troops were ordered over at once and to rush the enemy. For about 6 paces on the other side of the fence, we came to an impassable
Look at that cotton.
about 40 yards wide.
They won't get me picking no cotton no more.
They were ordered to protect themselves by lying down as best they could. There was severe fire from the enemy posted on the opposite side of the bayou.
They used to make black people pick this cotton right here. When you look at this cotton, it should make you angry.
1 hour, when the firing from the enemy ceased, and we had a column they left their position. We fell back about 100 yards, gathered our skills to burial and our wounded.
Cajun animals. It's evil. It's wrong.
Missouri infantry